National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, south central Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Montgomery, Oregon, 15 miles west of Willis, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Willis, Panorama Village, New Waverly, Montgomery, Richards, and Dacus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.